even on her page, people cussing her out in the comments. Some of the comments I read. Today, I had a bad sprinkle of water with mom and dad. Yes, I did when we went to the beach.
I can't remember nothing about my childhood with mom and dad.
That because mom was pregnant with you.
Still can't remember anything.
Well, I remember it.
I'm talking about when I was like a baby. I don't remember anything.
I was in the water with dad, and we almost drowned. And I do not like water. But I like to see it, but if somebody push me, this is going to be a problem. This ain't no swimming pool you just drag yourself out of. Hey!
What you about to do? I want to go on that trail. That's when I'll really go record. Ooh. I want to see some snakes, some spiders, birds, Scorpios.
What's up, YouTube? Sometimes it's good to enjoy nature. Nature can teach you a whole lot. Sometimes just take time to visit Mother Nature.